They betrayed you because you were easy. Good, now being easy ends. Rise. Betrayal is a mirror. It shows not only who stabbed you, but what was soft inside you that let them. This isn't a call to therapy fluff or gentle healing. This is a war plan. If someone burned your house down, you don't ask for a new paint job, you rebuild a fortress. The world doesn't owe you repair crews. It owes you a chance to become the architect of consequence. Step 1, name it, don't romanticize it. Write the betrayal down with specific facts. What happened? Who did it, when, and how it impacted you. Do not amplify feelings. Record facts. Facts make strategy possible. Emotions cloud decision-making. Facts make decisions surgical. Example entry, April 12th partner leaked my idea to their network. Took credit, blocked my access. Short, brutal, useful. STP2, extract intelligence from pain. For every fact, ask, how could I have been positioned to prevent this? Maybe you trusted too early, overshared, or lacked a formal agreement? That's data, not shame. Convert each failure into a new rule. Rules are non-negotiable protections you install so history cannot repeat itself. Step 3. Build the pain ledger turned strategy map. Column A, betrayal fact. Column B, immediate fix. Column C, long-term safeguard. Example, fact, credit stolen. Fix, public correction plus legal consultation. Safeguard, contracts plus limited exposure next project. This ledger is both therapy and architecture. It fuels rage into design. Step 4, ritualize the first 30 days. Day 1 to 7, isolation and inventory. Remove noisy inputs. Analyze the ledger. Decide next steps. Day 8 to 15, skill drill. Choose 3 skills that make you less vulnerable. Negotiation, content production, legal basics, and train daily. Day 16 to 30, output, sprint. Create visible proof of competence. 1 public project, a micro course, or a video series. No excuses. Rituals are how quiet people become threats. Step 5, weaponize humility into learning, not surrender. Humility that asks, what can I do better? Becomes your engine. Humility that begs forgiveness is a leash. Replace confessions with competence. Don't apologize publicly. For being betrayed, demonstrate the comeback that rewrites the narrative. You woke to the truth. Now design your comeback. The betrayal wasn't a curse, it was a blueprint. Use it. They cut you out to profit. Cut them out of your future, completely and cleanly. Remove the rot quickly. When something poisonous enters your life, you don't nurse it, you excise it. This part is about removing harmful people, sloppy habits, and naive frameworks that let betrayal work. This is surgical. Be methodical. Be ruthless. Compassion can follow when you're safe. Step 1, emotional quarantine. For 21 days, reduce contact with anyone involved in the betrayal to 0. Do not explain. Silence is a form of power. Cut comments, unfollow, silence notifications. This isn't punitive theater. It's practical friction that prevents repeat damage. Step 2, audit your circle, 3 rings method. Inner ring 0 to 3 people, those who will confront you honestly and accelerate you. Keep them. Middle ring 5 to 10 people, useful but conditional. Engage for outcomes, not companionship. Outer ring, everyone else, neutral or harmful. Limit access. Reposition people like chess pieces. The lies amplify. Freeloaders leak energy. STP3, financial and legal defense. Immediately protect assets, change passwords, secure accounts, and archive proof of work. Consult a basic legal advisor if intellectual property or contracts were violated. Threat isn't only emotional, it's practical. Money is defense. Invest a portion of income into protecting your future. Allow your consult. Storage or a low-cost service that keeps proof of creation. Step 4, reset routines to harden your days. New rituals, wake time fixed, 2-hour deep work window, daily physical training, and nightly reflection for 10 minutes. Replace passive comforts with active armor instead of late-night scrolling. Research or creation takes that place. Generation, not consumption. Step 5. Learn the language of leverage. Leverage means systems that produce outcomes without your constant presence. That's intellectual property, distribution lists, a loyal audience, or repeatable products. Start building one lever now, an email list, a signature content series, or a product with clear delivery. Levers make betrayal less toxic. Cut the rot. Protect the seed. The people who left you were not the end, they were an input. Use them to make the architecture stronger. Rebuild with fire. You were burned. Build with flame. Build with materials the betrayers don't understand. Rebuild, but build differently. Rebuilding is not about reconstructing what was. It's about constructing what will make them irrelevant. Think less, repair, and more upgrade. Your new structure must be faster, smarter, and harder to steal from. You're not just restoring, you're reinventing. Step 1. Identify the new identity. Who are you after betrayal? Not in feelings, but in function. I am the creator who protects her ideas. I am the CEO who never trusts without contracts. Make it a declarative line. Repeat it until it's the first reflex. STP2, build the minimal defensible product. MDP, create the smallest, fastest to deliver project that proves your competence. It could be a 5-day program, a mini ebook, or a short video series. The goal is visibility and ownership. Deliver it for free or low cost to your most engaged audience over deliver. This creates trust that competitors and betrayers can't mimic easily. Step 3. Public proof and asymmetric advantage. Document the rebuild publicly, not as a victim but as an architect. Case studies before, after, and public metrics, for example, 5 clients in 30 days. Introduce asymmetric advantage. You show results they can't fake. Use short, hard-hitting content. I was betrayed. Here's the strategy I used. And here are the results. People love transformation in action. STP4. Monetize the comeback early. Don't wait for perfect. Launch a small paid offer within 30 to 60 days. Money is the fastest validation. If people pay, you have value and leverage. Use scarcity. Small cohort, limited access. Scarcity forces decisions and builds urgency. Don't be generous in days where generosity gets abused. Step 5. Build multiple distribution channels. Dependence on one platform is how betrayal repeats itself. Platform equals gatekeeper. Build on 3 channels: your platform, YouTube, TikTok, owned list, email, Telegram, and a partner network collaborators. Each channel is redundancy against being silenced or sidelined. This rebuild is not sentimental, it's strategic. Make something that outlives the grudges they hold against you. They expected whining. Give them results. Revenge is silent. Success screams. The best comeback is inconvenient for others. Strike back doesn't mean public humiliation. It means building such momentum they have no choice but to respond. It's surgical. Remove their leverage by creating new realities. When your life becomes an asset, their opinions become liabilities. Step 1. Create measurable victories. Set 30, 60, and 90-day targets, revenue numbers, subscribers, product launches, or client wins. Make them measurable and public. Metrics force accountability and create pressure that betrayers can't ignore. STP2. Use strategic visibility, not drama. Share progress updates that are crisp and factual. Launched X3 clients in 10 days. Don't ramp. Rants are noise. Proof is signal. Visibility creates FOMO, fear of missing out, in your former network. People who ignored you will watch the metrics. Step 3. Neutralize by overshadowing. When your output is exponentially better, they become background noise. Outwork them publicly. More consistent uploads, better packaging, clearer offers. Their gossip is irrelevant when your proof is abundant. STP4. Turn former betrayals into content with dignity. Use your story as a structured lesson. I was betrayed. Here is what I changed. Here is the result. This amplifies both empathy and authority. People resonate with the climb more than the fall. Step 5. Build partnerships that lock access and amplify reach. Partner with people who have skin in the game. People who risk reputation to stand with you are not fair weather. These partnerships act as social capital and block future sabotage. STP6. Prepare for backlash and ignore it clinically. Backlash is predictable. Trolls will surface. Have a plan. Ignore, document if legal action is relevant, and move. Attention given to negativity feeds it. Redirect energy to production. Your revenge is compound growth. Every small measured victory is a brick in a wall that protects you and imprisons doubters in silence. You survived the betrayal. Now you don't just survive, you govern the territory they once occupied. The final stage is not just survival or revenge, it's dominion. You transform from a reactive person into a proactive force that shapes markets, conversations, and standards. This is about institutionalizing your power so the lesson stays long after the noise fades. Step 1. Institutionalize your systems. Convert successful rituals into repeatable processes, content calendar, product funnels, client onboarding, team roles. Systems scale where raw will cannot. Hire slow, fire fast. A small team that understands your non-negotiables is worth more than a crowd that tolerates mediocrity. Step 2. Teach the doctrine publicly. Share frameworks, the betrayal ledger, the 30-day rebuild, the silence strategy. Packages convert your trauma into intellectual property. Teaching is both authority and income. Launch a masterclass or a paid workshop that converts followers into advocates and customers into clients. Step 3. Guard culture ruthlessly. Culture is how your brand behaves when no one watches. Define values bluntly. We don't leak. We execute. We protect IP, enforce them. Culture becomes a moat. STEP 4. Create permanent scarcity for high-value access. Offer limited mentorship, invite-only programs, or one-on-one coaching for select people. Scarcity elevates value and reduces exploitation. Protect your attention. Step 5. Legacy moves, invest and diversify. Convert income into assets, IP, equity in other projects, media rights. Don't let all value sit in one channel. Diversify so that betrayal in one area doesn't collapse everything. Step 6. Make truth a currency. Be known for blunt clarity. People respect those who speak truth with consequences. Your brand becomes a signpost. When you speak, the market listens. STP 7, the final ritual, the public non-apology. Not a rant. Not a begging. A dignified statement that frames your evolution. I was betrayed. I rebuilt. If you're in my way, move. It's a line that ends rounds and starts chapters. Use it in your long-form content as a thesis statement. Closing checklist, the rulebook for life after betrayal. Maintain the pain ledger and update it monthly. Post one visible, measurable win weekly for 90 days. Launch one paid product or masterclass in 60 days. Build team roles for protection and scale, operations, legal, community manager. Convert 20% of income into diversified assets. Keep rituals sacred, morning routine. Deep work windows, 3x weekly physical training. Protect your narrative, document wins, ignore provocation and let metrics speak. Betrayal doesn't end you, it teaches you how to erect walls and catapults. The people who tried to stop you lit the match that forged your armor. Don't beg for mercy. Don't ask for credit. Take it, build with fire. Govern with discipline. Let your life be the answer they didn't want to hear. They burned your house down, good, build a palace they can't. Enter and charge admission.